Hello, geometry class. We are doing problem 8 on page 117. All right, this is the introduction to proofs. Remember, we have statements and then we have reasons. So number 8 is saying xy equals 42. So over here, x, y equals 42. So we know the end length. So we are going to try and solve for n. With that, we can say that xz plus zy gives us the total of the line. So on that, we are just using segment addition property. So write that down. Segment addition property is saying I'm taking two segments of one long segment and I can add them together, and that should equal the total segment. All right, the next one. I am taking xz and I am replacing it with the equation that they gave us for n. And I am taking zy and replacing what they gave us for zy. And I can set that equal to 42. And with that, I am just subbing in what I know for what I don't know. So this is just called the substitution property. Write that down. C. We took the 3 and we multiplied it times the n, the 3 times the 4. We've seen this in number 7 and in number 6. This is called the distribution property. I don't know if I spelled that right, but property, distribution property. We're multiplying those out. Then we'll still leave the 3n and the 42. From there, we are combining like terms, and that will give us the distribution property as well, because we're combining them all on one side, still moving things around, and that is also called the distribution property. E. What happens when we subtract 12 from both sides? Start with subtract. So it's a subtraction property of, this is where we add the equality because we've done it to both sides. And last one, we are dividing both sides by 6. That's the division property of equality then. And that is how we finish number 8, where n equals 5. So up here, we know that 5 plus 4 plus 3 times 5 will equal 42. And we can correct it or check for correctness.